Hi everyone, today I will show you how to get a hosting plan for Webflow website. So first thing you need to do is you need to choose the website you want to host. So I will choose this one. You click here three dots and you go to settings. Then you go to plans. And here you have various hosting plans you can choose. The two most popular ones are basic one and CMS. If you don't want to have any blog posts on your website, you should probably choose the basic one. And if you want to have a more complex website with CMS and blog posts and articles, CMS hosting plan is the best one for you. This hosting plan is not necessary for you because this is mostly for companies and people who have really high traffic websites. And here you have e-commerce hosting plans if you sell something on your website. And also any plan you choose besides the starter one, you also get to export and include custom content in your website. And here you can see more information about each hosting plan you choose.